Hey everybody, Shark Scrapper. This is kind of cool. IBM Flex System Fabric EN4093R 10 gigabyte scalable switch. Wow, I've never done one of these before. Come on, let's dive in, see what we're going to get out of it. Okay. Where are you, screws? Here we are. Let's see if this is the drill that I keep preloaded for hard drives. And it's the same size torque, so that's cool. Yeah, don't see any screws on that side. Don't see any screws on that side. We have some Phillips heads down here. Come on. Come on, baby. I know you want to come out. It's those. Why are you being uncooperative? What's holding you up? Ah, interesting. All right, so let's see. I'll pry you up with that. There we go. Huh. All right, little sheet steel. Plastic trash. Wow, look at all that gold ink going there. And some little spiders running around. Run, little spider, run. All right. That's a relatively large torque. Torque C. Which one? Let's go with you. Nope, too big. Too big. See, when you get the right size, works like magic. All right, I'm thinking that's copper. Let's see. Yep. That's copper, so that's going to be a copper aluminum heatsink. And these little C-clamps are pretty easy. You just take a flathead screwdriver, put it in one of the notches, and then pry that C-clamp off, just like that. There you go. And then that screw post comes out real easy. Now, a lot of times you can knock these pins out with a hammer. But I found with these kind of C-clamps, they're pretty tough, and it's just as easy to pop them off like this. Copper aluminum heatsink. My yard buys those as ACR, aluminum copper radiators. Now, oh man, all right, let's get this RAM out of the way. Wow, 2 whole gigabytes. These little screws, they're a combination of flathead and Phillips, and if all else fails, a socket. Let's see if we can do it with the Phillips. All right, seems to be cooperating. Man, look at that processor chip. That's a serious chippy. Oh. Vice grips to the rescue. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty easy. Shred. And those come off real easy, it looks like, because they're kind of taking themselves off. Then we have some heat sinks holding some processors. And that is an aluminum heatsink. What's this material here? Stainless steel. So let's figure out the best way to get the aluminum off of the stainless. There we go. Aluminum, stainless steel. Doesn't weigh much, but since we know it's stainless steel and it was very easy to separate, we might as well put it in with our clean stainless. Get this aluminum heatsink off of here. With my yard, all they want me to do is to cut these legs off. They don't need me to dig it all out of there. All right, so this is an interesting board because, here, let's prop you up like that. How's that sound? We have the obvious gold Enig running all around, but remember, Enig is very thin, so it looks pretty, but it's not like there's a whole lot of gold there. We have crystal oscillators. We have regular oscillators. Look at that. Here's some more gold-edged crystal oscillators. All lines of MLCCs. We have flat packs and ICs and BGAs all over the place. We have more on this daughter card. We have more MLCCs. These are caps. More MLCCs, ICs. So this is a well-populated board. And then, of course, each one of these has gold-plated pins inside of those. So I believe I'm going to put this in with my Telcom High, unless Chris tells me otherwise. I'm going to get this plastic off of here. This doesn't weigh much, but there's no reason to gunk it up any more than it is gunked up with stuff. And these slots, these are just plugs, but sometimes those are filled with, little drives. So unfortunately, all of these are just plugs to keep the dust out. So, all right then, well, that was pretty quick. That was pretty quick. Oh, what do we have back here? More MLCCs, some tiny little components, and a bunch more gold Enig. Alrighty, that was a pretty quick scrap. I hope you all enjoyed it. It is a very pretty board, though, I must say. Very pretty board. Don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the little round icon in the middle of the two links that are taking you to more shark scrapping videos. Have a great day.